Hey guys, Steve Enfielders here, back in the garage. Today we're looking at Duha's Squad Box, and with Duha we have Mike. How you doing, Mike?
Good, you?
Doing well. Thanks for coming out today.
Thank you.
So Mike, tell us more about the product itself, how it's made, and some of the features you packed in here.
Yep, this is called Squad Box. So we have two versions of this. This is an internal latch system, so it comes with a single point actuator, so you can lock this with a single key. Then on the inside it also has these shocks. Okay. The lid has a nice seal here, so everything's sealed up nice and tight. Inside you have two trays. They have little dividers here. You can divide stuff out up in trays. And you can also get foam inserts made special for guns or tools or whatever else you want to put in here. And then inside it has this dividers and gun racks in here, so you can hold ARs in here, 4 of them. And then they're adjustable, 3 different spots on each side, and then it's all removable, so you can keep it open storage if you want other bigger items or whatever in here. On the ends you have both ends you have a spring-loaded handle. There's one on the lid also. And then when you have it out on the ground, there's a little brake here to lock it in position. Then when you're hauling it around, you can use this extendable handle for easier towing it around. This is made in the USA, has a lifetime warranty. Then how it's made is called rotational molding. So it's a cast aluminum mold that you put into an oven. It rotates 360 degrees. Then the plastic in there melts and forms to the mold walls. Yep. Advantages of that, it creates thicker corners on the part, so you end up with a nice strong part.
Good deal. And I will say the fit in this 2017 Wrangler is nothing short of perfect. I mean, it really does fit great. It's flush in just about every corner, and it really does still give us access to the storage area of our Jeep, so it's only using some of it. We actually still have access to our subwoofer in this particular Jeep. We still have access to that, but it's a really good way to secure things up and out of the way. Also, when the top's off of the Jeep, things tend to blow around when you're out on the trail or on the road. This is a really good way to secure those things and keep them up and out of the way. This isn't just for the Jeeper though. This can be really in any SUV application, even UTVs out there. So if you're a fisherman or if you're just an outdoors enthusiast or a camper, you can take this out at the campsite, and it's actually even good for a seat. So if you wanted to sit on this, you have a cup holder and an area for your phone as well. So they thought of everything here. Now Mike, you were telling me a really cool story about how some of the police departments are using these. Can you fill us more on that? Yes,
we have police departments that'll buy multiples of these and set them up, for the different applications that they may encounter out in the field, like an active shooter or police investigations. They'll have one set up for each of those situations, so it's quick and easy just to grab the one they need for that application. Just throw it in their vehicle, they lock it in, and away they go.
Now, onto the installation. This really was one of the simplest installs we've done to date in the garage. I'm going to give this a 1 of 10 on the difficulty scale, and it took us about 10 minutes to do, so really pretty simple. And on this Jeep, the 2017 Wrangler, this actually mounted right up to the factory mounting points on the Jeep, making install even easier. Really all we needed was a wrench and a Torx 30-bit. Otherwise, this was a breeze. Now guys at home, if you want any more details about this product, please check the description below the video. We'll have everything listed for you there, as well as part numbers and even a dealer locator, so you can find this product at a dealer near you. Now Mike, thanks again for coming out today. It's been a pleasure.
Thanks for having us.
Yeah, we couldn't have done it without you. Now guys, thanks again for tuning in. We hope to see you in our next video. This has been Total Truck Centers in the Garage.